How to make kottu. First add oil and then onions. And then add carrots and leeks. Leave it to fry for a while. And then stir and mix. Afterwards add 2 eggs. Mix carefully until egg is well distributed.
What do you like, sir? You like chicken or mutton? Chicken. You can mix 2 also mix also?
After waiting for a while till cooked, then we will add the remaining ingredients into the mix. You may add milk and cheese if you wish to make it into a cheese kottu. Your kottu will end up being like this if you added cheese and milk. If you didn't, then you will get the spicy kottu as you see.
Please remember to like this video if you found it helpful. And subscribe to our channel for more food content.